Good morning, dear children. Welcome to this session. In today's class, I am going to give you the activities of the story The Shipwrecked Sailor. So, let's go to the activity, shall we? The first activity in your textbook is to create a story map of the story A Shipwrecked Sailor. So, what do you understand by a story map? It is a very short detail of a story, of a novel, of a drama, etc. That means we are just writing the important actions performed in a story or in a drama or in a novel. It is a short description or details of the work in your textbook in page number 51. The first activity is this. Activity 1. Fill in the following mind map of the story A Shipwrecked Sailor. So, we have a story map here. You can see here the picture. See, what all you have seen in this picture? We have spaces of writing the name of the characters. Here, 4 spaces are there. The characters and their features. You have to fill it up here. Okay. So, there are many boxes for writing the names of the characters. So, we can write the names of the characters in their boxes. Then, there you can see in the left side words describing the sea. So, you can find which are the words that used to describe the sea. You can write one by one there in these boxes. And in the center, we have we have seen the main events. It is the important part of the story. So, what are the main actions or incidents happens in the story? And the right side words describing loneliness. Do you remember the story of Velasco? How he was thrown into the ocean, or how he was not able to have any one of his friends, and how they died helplessly in front of him, and how he was helpless at that time. In the end of the story, we found he was so lonely. He was so lonely and glancing at his belongings. So you are asked to write the words which shows his loneliness. There is a feeling of being alone, or it is again saying it is solitude. So let's do this activity. Okay, first part, that is the characters and their features. We know that there are 5 characters in the story. Who are they? Can you name it? Yes, Velasco, Carabello, Castillo, Rengifo, and Ramon Herrera. These are the 5 main characters in the story. So you have to write the names of the characters in these boxes. Okay. Then the second part, which are the words describing the sea. The words like lurching sea, gigantic waves, chopping waves, panicking, ducking underwater are the words to describe the words. Now let's go to the right side. Words describing loneliness. We can use desperately alone, serenity, solitude. Desperately alone, serenity, solitude. These are all words used for describing the sea. Now next one. It is the most important one, the main events. Which are the main events? Can you imagine and can you write it? Okay, let's see. First one, Velasco and his shipmates were traveling from the place called Mobile to Colombia. Second one, he lost his shipmates in this shipwreck. Third one, he managed to get on to the raft. And the fourth one, he floated on the raft for many days alone in the sea without food and water. These are the main events have taken place in the story. So, in this story map, we wrote the characters, words describing the sea, words describing the loneliness, and the four main events of the story. So, the story maps help us to understand the story well. So, you can make any other two to story maps in your notebook about the previous stories. See, based on the story map, activity 2, you can do by yourself. See, these are the pictures given in this activity 2. See, which take in your, that is the main events in the story. So try to make captions for each pictures. One and second, this first one and second one, it is already given. Now third to 8, you have to write a caption. Look at the picture and write the caption for the picture. That is all for you today. We will see again in the next class. Thank you.